To set your Galaxy Watch to vibrate when scrolling its bezel from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch Setting. Next, scroll down the screen. Tap General. Tap Touch Bezel. And then tap the gray on off switch next to vibration feedback until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With the setting, your watch will vibrate when you are scrolling its screen by swiping around the edge of the watch screen like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.